We have an unboxing to do today. This is a GEC 88 pattern, and the unboxing knife will be the Spyderco Mannix 2 Lightweight. This is also a special knife. See, this one is made in 15V. Now 15V is going to be done. There's no more of this that's going to be made. And out of your 3 super high edge retention steels, there's 15V, Rex 121, and Maximit. 15V is the best of the bunch. They all have very similar edge retention, but the difference is 15V is the only one that's got any degree of toughness to it. This is tough enough for a folder for stuff that you're going to do every day. The other steels, in my opinion, are not. Okay, so let's get into this. Anyway, I've been carrying this knife now for a few weeks. It's still on the factory edge. I have not had to touch it at all. Okay. GEC Cutlery Beaver Tail. Traditional sportsman knives, Great Eastern Cutlery. This is a 888-225 jigged Brazilian cherry. There's the pin. Let's put the unboxing knife, the pin, the tube, centering is absolutely perfect. And look at that. Look at that wood. And the jigging that's on it, just done to perfection. GECs are like that. I haven't been buying very many knives. Maybe one a month. I've been waiting until something special comes along. This was something special. This one is also something special. Good snap. See there, it says Beaver Tail. Still got the oil on it. GEC Cutlery. Carbon steel. These are in 1095. Now the 88 is one of my favorite patterns of all time of any knife, not just GECs. Matter of fact, let's take a look at what I'm carrying today. I carried the Mannix 2, and I also had this in my pocket. This is another 88. This is the Yeti. This is in a synthetic white. I gotta tell you, these knives are about as good as it gets. 2 nice long blades. That lamb's foot has such a high utility value. It is such a great blade shape for getting work done every day. And this clip point, it actually looks like a muskrat blade, and it's got that downward cant like one of the blades on the muskrat. So this knife could be used for skinning. I know it's excellent for food. Let me show you on this one. You can see some of the patina that's on it. I've used this one quite a bit for food. Just wonderful knives. I am very happy with this. I really like that beaver tail shield. I've never seen anything like that on another knife. That is just gorgeous. Well, that's going to be it for this quick unboxing. We'll see you on the next one.